How to set your clock few minutes ahead of time on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Now from the settings page, we then scroll down and then tap on General Management. From here, tap on Date and Time. Then turn off Automatic Date and Time. Here you can manually now set the time. So tap on the Set Time and choose how many minutes you would like to set ahead of time. So here I'm going to set the clock 5 minutes ahead of the current time. So 8:19. Then tap on Done. And that's it. Now tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.